Hey, Nick Hutchinson here with MarineMax Clearwater, and I've got an absolutely gorgeous used 2010 Sea Ray Sundancer 470 here that you're not going to want to miss. This boat has been serviced at the dealer since new, and it is in absolutely pristine condition inside and out. To the stern here, we've got a swim deck that drops down to give you easier access on and off the boat, as well as a huge sun patio. Underneath that, we've got twin Cummins 450 horsepower engines. Moving forward here, you can see we've got tons of seating as well as table space here. To port, we've got a little kitchen with freshwater sink, TV even up back here. Now moving up to the controls, we've got a dual seat at the helm, dual Raymarine Chartplotters, Autopilot, Zues joystick control, and this thing's only got 670 hours on it. And part of what goes along with your joystick control is Autopilot as well as Skyhook, which is an amazing feature. We're going to head downstairs here. Downstairs we've got tons of room. As you can see, all this cherry cabinet here is absolutely pristine, polished just like the day that it came off the showroom. Floors are in excellent condition as well, no scratches or anything. I'm 6'2" and I can stand straight up down here. Moving forward here to the master, we've got a full beam master. Tapers off a little bit, but still I can stand up here at the entryway. Very, very, very clean boat. Moving back, we've got nice cherry steps, stainless steel railings, full-size stainless fridge, we've got granite countertops. And finally aft, we've got a kind of a double bunk guest room here for the kids, as well as their own bathroom and sink. This is an absolute gorgeous boat. You gotta come down and see it for yourself. You won't believe the condition it is in. Don't miss this one won't last.